are going to be quartering and attaching a neckband. I have the new Timberwolf pattern in front of me, and I already have it sewn up to this point. All I have to do is attach my neckband. Now I have my neckband piece prepped, followed the instructions to get it into a loop. I also iron my neckband. I feel it gives it just that little extra, helps it with not twisting, and it looks better all around once it's attached. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to quarter our neckband. I start with a clip at the back seam and then put a clip at each quarter point. Okay, we have this all quartered. Now we are going to do the same thing to our neckline. I find it easiest to fold it in half. Find the back. Find the front. And then something to note, the sides are not going to be the shoulder seams. So make sure you match these up and pull it up to find the quarter point for that side, so it's not the shoulder seam. Now we have both our neckband and our neckline marked, and you are going to match up the quarter points. Start with the back seam at the back neckline. Also something, you can either do this with the shirt turned inside out or right side out. I find it easiest to have the shirt turned wrong side out and attach it on the inside. You can do it either way, it works both ways. So go ahead and match up your quarter points. Okay, I have both the neckline and the neckband quarter points matched up. Now, if you would like to, you can add clips or pins in between. Just gently stretch, find the center point of that, and add one there as well. I'm not going to do that because the neckline's a little bit smaller and it'll be easier to just do it like this. Something else to note when you are sewing your neckband on, all you are going to do is gently stretch the neckband to match the neckline. You don't want to overstretch your neckline and overstretch your neckband, or the whole neckline on your shirt is just going to look stretched out. So just gently stretch your neckband while you are sewing it to match right up with the neckline. I'm gonna go ahead and go do that, and we will show you what it looks like. And there we go, neckband all attached. Now after you sew or serge it to your neckline, you are going to want to take it to your ironing board and give it a good press. The last step that's completely optional, I went ahead and already did it, is you can top stitch around your neckline. Like I said, this step is completely optional. If you don't have a cover stitch, that is fine. I just got mine actually. You can do it on your sewing machine as well. All you need to do is use a stretch stitch and do your neckline. Again, completely optional, it just gives it that little extra. I hope this helped. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see those perfect neckbands.